Hi everyone, this is Group 50. Our presentation topic is Metaverse education. And this presentation will cover these diagrams and topics. So why would we come up with this idea, Metaverse education system? Because with the development of technology, 5G and VR education, so Metaverse virtual education will play an important role in the future education industry. It can provide a convenient platform for participants from different backgrounds to use to manage compared to the traditional educational model. Our system activities provides more interesting educational method, such as auto-matching in groups according to students' label and VR classroom. The core functions are followed by students, teachers, and admins. Interaction between teachers and students in VR classroom is most important in this system. Every student has their own character in the VR classroom, so they can interact with teachers and the teachers can interact with students. So this system will greatly improve the interaction and active thinking of the participants compared to traditional education system. And those functional details we'll talk about later.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the feature diagram for the Metaverse education system. The first layers are the main functions for student and staff. The two main account types are student account and staff account. The users are able to log in, log out, and manage their account. The group forming functions. We have normal group forming for group project in class and interesting group forming so that students can find schoolmates with same interest and similar personality. The document function combine all the paperwork file with assignments and quizzes. Students can download files, submit assignment, and attend exams in this section. The grade section lists all the grade for assignment and quizzes. The student can check their grade in this section. Teachers can update grade, and the system will automatically calculate the overall grade. With the Metaverse education system, the most significant function is the online VR classroom. My group member will talk about this in detail in next section. We combine the announcement section with notifications and discussion functions so that students can find all the possible answers in this section. Teachers can publish daily notification and create discussion board for class discussion. Students can create discussion for specific topic and they are able to reply and comment below each discussions.
In the user case, we divide the functions used by the user into three main parts, namely interface, document, and online visual part. Take the login function as an example. When the user clicks on the link to enter the interface, the first interface is to enter the username and password. For student and teacher, once they are allowed to enter the website, and the website sets this information to the database and checks it against the information in the database, which after the web page automatically jumps to the interface where users can view and download course documents, and also they can use other functions mentioned in the diagram. And they can access the virtual classroom during the class time.
Next, we will introduce two innovative parts of this project. The first is interesting matching model. Due to lack of interaction in online courses, students may be having a weakening of social skills. However, students' learning should be holistic. They need to obtain not only knowledge but also social skills in the classroom. To improve this part, first of all, our mental education system can analyze data to obtain the personalities of the students, such as creative. The source of data can be got from this website by finishing a questionnaire. The results are shown in the figure below. Our system automatically extracts the results from it when the student enters the result link, and this result will help to complete the tagging of the students. After that, we also use a deep learning model. This model will be adapted to fit the student's personality feature based on their completion of the task and the evaluation of their peers. These personality characteristics will be matched by the system through the methods of the complementarity, congruence, and so on to give the student feedback on the best group and members. Once students are in the group, they have a meta-universe platform for a group, like this picture. They can play games, learn from each other, and chat on the platform to simulate a real classroom. Through this model, students will get a livelier and more interesting meta-safe learning environment.
This is another part of our class diagram. The account part is responsible for the account log of students, teachers, and administrators. And the group forming part is the model we use to create group cooperation for students. For the virtual classroom part, we have made a special design. Now, the Zoom classroom we use can only see the teacher and students through the camera. And then the teacher gives the students a lecture through screen share. Many students who were unable to attend class on campus due to COVID-19 said that Zoom classroom were not attractive enough. And at the same time, they believe that their learning efficiency was not high. Therefore, we propose Metaverse classroom in our project. Here, students can communicate easily in this model, and teacher can also teach students through virtual classroom. We conclude that our online Metaverse classroom has 3 improvements over traditional Zoom classrooms. The first is more realistic classroom. The second is user-friendly interactive experience. And the last is better teaching quality. Next is our architecture analysis and design sections. In this part, we analyze the software system architecture from different perspectives through 4+1 aspects. From different stakeholders, we have accuracy analysis. This is our project for Metaverse education system. That's all we have. Thank you for listening.